1 Amorca Meadows. The living is easy in this impressive, generously proportioned contemporary home. Covered front porch awaiting your holiday and seasonal decor. Spacious entry leads guests to sophisticated living areas. Tall ceilings bathe this living room with tons of natural light. Sleek and stylish kitchen complete with large pantry with appliance shelf and breakfast bar that flows through to dining room. All appliances included. Dining area open to kitchen and living room with convenient deck access. Main floor laundry room with utility shelf. Main floor second bedroom. Main floor hall bath with elegant vanity. Large master suite with private bathroom. Lavish master bath boasts a huge corner jet tub, step and shower, large vanity and walk-in closet. Master walk-in closet complete with shelving. Stairs to basement with designer carpet and theatre lights. Lower level family room perfect for your family gatherings. Lower level third bedroom with walk-in closet. Lower level fourth bedroom with daylight window. Lower level full bathroom. Huge composite deck.